Welcome to Techtopia X, where we take a close look at the latest products using real specifications and practical information to help you make informed buying decisions. If you're interested in learning more about today's product, you'll find the product link in the description below. Today we're reviewing the Captiva Designs 6-burner propane gas barbecue grill with side burner. This is a full-size outdoor propane grill designed for families, backyard gatherings, and outdoor kitchens. It combines a large cooking surface, multiple burners, and stainless steel construction into one package. But how does it perform on paper, and what do those specifications actually mean in everyday grilling? Let's find out. Starting with cooking performance. This grill produces a total heat output of 65,800 BTUs. That output comes from 6 independently controlled stainless steel main burners, plus an additional side burner. Having multiple burners allows you to create separate heat zones, making it possible to cook different foods at different temperatures at the same time. For example, you can grill burgers over high heat while slowly cooking vegetables or chicken over medium heat. The cooking space is another major highlight. The grill offers a total cooking area of 665 square inches. This includes a spacious primary grilling surface along with a warming rack that helps keep cooked food warm while the rest of your meal finishes cooking. With this amount of space, the grill can comfortably prepare meals for larger family gatherings or weekend cookouts without feeling crowded. The primary cooking grates are made from porcelain-enameled cast iron. Cast iron is well known for retaining heat effectively, which helps produce consistent cooking temperatures and define grill marks. The porcelain enamel coating also helps reduce sticking while making cleanup easier compared to untreated cast iron. Construction is focused on outdoor durability. The grill features a stainless steel finish that provides a clean appearance while offering resistance to outdoor conditions when properly maintained. Stainless steel burner components are also commonly chosen for their ability to withstand repeated heating cycles. One feature many users appreciate is the side burner. Rather than using only the main grill, the side burner allows you to prepare sauces, boil water, or cook side dishes while grilling your main course. This adds flexibility during meal preparation and can reduce trips between the backyard and the kitchen. Temperature control is supported by an integrated lid-mounted thermometer. While it's not a replacement for a digital meat thermometer, it gives a convenient indication of the grill's internal cooking temperature, so you can better manage different cooking styles, such as high heat searing or slower roasting. The grill also includes multiple independently controlled burner knobs, allowing precise adjustment of each cooking zone. Whether you're cooking steaks, vegetables, seafood, or larger cuts of meat, having adjustable heat zones can make cooking more versatile. Storage and convenience are also part of the design. The enclosed cabinet underneath provides space for the propane tank and grilling accessories, while side shelves offer additional room for food preparation, seasoning containers, or serving trays. Integrated wheels make it easier to reposition the grill around a patio or backyard when needed. Cleaning is an important consideration for any gas grill. This model includes a removable grease management system designed to collect grease during cooking, helping simplify maintenance after each grilling session. Regular cleaning of the grease tray and cooking grates will help maintain performance over time. Overall, the Captiva Designs 6-burner propane gas barbecue grill is designed for users looking for a large-capacity propane grill with multiple cooking zones, a side burner, and durable cooking grates. Its combination of 65,800 BTUs, 665 square inches of cooking space, porcelain-enameled cast iron grates, stainless steel construction, and practical storage features makes it suitable for outdoor cooking in a variety of situations, from everyday family meals to larger backyard gatherings. As always, the best grill depends on your available space, cooking style, and the number of people you typically cook for. Hopefully this overview has given you a clear understanding of what this model offers and how its specifications translate into real-world use. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. If you found this review helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.